We're ready for door configuration now, but let's browse these subfolders first. Inputs 1 through 8 correspond to the panel's door position inputs. 9 through 16 are the requests to exits. In Identipass, an unused REX was not configurable. In Premises, they can be used to monitor general-purpose devices or used as an alternate REX. Default naming is the I/O board name plus the input number. Operators won't see these names, so it's best not to change them other than to indicate with a prefix those that aren't currently being used in the system. Here are the 9000 panel relays and readers. You can't delete these because the 9000 panel can support a reader expansion card. The extra ports won't count towards your door limit until you configure them as part of a door. There are some important settings to check on here. Does this reader port have a keypad connected? Is there a compatible LED mode? If you have a Wiegand output reader, make sure this checkbox is checked. Other options are for barcodes and magstripe readers. If you aren't sure, consult your concierge tech. As a time saver, if you would like these reader port settings to carry over as you add new I/O boards, check this Set as Default box. However, this option will not edit your existing ports. Now select the Doors folder. Please give these doors the same name they had in Identipass. This will help operators more quickly acclimate to their new premises system. Enter the new name here. A device code off a CAD drawing may be important. Enter it in the description field, or use it as a prefix to the door name. Premises assumes the first door uses reader 1. If you have in and out readers for soft or hard any passback, use this setting. In and out readers count as 2 doors towards your maximum, not 1. Most likely you'll choose card as the default access mode for this door. The fields here that correspond to Identipass settings are door lock relay pulse time in seconds, door contact shunt time in 2-second units, so 7 here equals 14 seconds. Here you can assign and configure a time zone for the door and set first card unlock. If your door is not being monitored with a contact, it's important to change this to none for 2 reasons. Number 1, if you don't, this door will report access granted door not used for every valid card presentation. Secondly, you'll be able to associate this input with another device. If this door's lock relay isn't relay number 1, select the correct relay here. Referencing the Identipass system will give you this information. These are software settings you can use for the door. If you don't want the lock relay to pulse on egress, check Quiet Exit. Check your card formats here. You can use this Set as Default box to carry over these settings to new doors as they are added into the site tree. Incidentally, the list of card formats you see here are the ones made active earlier in Access Settings. You can check up to 8 per door.